This is Artems.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. The most powerful AI models on the market can now vanish overnight. We are seeing a sudden and unprecedented shift in how governments control frontier intelligence. Let's start with the fact that the United States government just pulled the plug on Anthropic's latest and greatest models on a Friday evening. A directive hit the desk of the company ordering them to suspend access to Fable 5 and Mythos 5. Think about it. The only way to comply was to shut them down for everyone, globally. This was not about a slow regulatory rollout. It was an immediate blackout triggered by a reported jailbreak that could potentially expose. What does this mean in practice? It means that for the enterprise, relying on a single closed API is now a massive operational risk. If a government decides a model is too dangerous, your entire production DOCOP could be deleted in a few hours. While governments are pulling levers on the models, developers are rewriting the rules of how they actually use them. Which brings us to the next story, the shift from prompts to loops. We are moving away from a world where a human just types a prompt and hopes for the best. Instead, we are entering the third era of agentic development, where the unit of work is a loop. A loop is essentially a small program that prompts until the goal is met. And here's the key part: the quality of the final code is no longer about the model you use, but about the quality of the verification system you build around it. The software is evolving, but the capital backing it is reaching a whole new scale. Let's look at the SpaceX debut on the Nasdaq. The company is now valued at $1.8 trillion, but the real signal for the fintech world is that SpaceX is carrying 18,712 Bitcoin as a strategic reserve. This is normalizing crypto on corporate balance sheets. At the same time, we are seeing a push to make stablecoins more productive. Currently, $315 billion in stablecoins are just sitting idle. The next move is to connect these on-chain dollars to real-world assets like United States treasuries and corporate bonds, turning passive cash into credible competitors for traditional banking. The Rubicon has been crossed. Whether it is the government banning a model or a company like SpaceX normalizing Bitcoining, the boundary between traditional systems and autonomous agents is disappearing. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.